We take this time to honor today's four-state hero, Travis Faulkner, a member of the U.S. Air Force. His hometown, Joplin, Missouri. We thank you, Senior Airman Travis Faulkner, today's four-state hero.
Hattie Lehman's going to get us started. Hattie's celebrating her 4th birthday. And what a gorgeous picture that is right there. Check out that bow. That is fit for a queen. Miss Lehman is celebrating in the knack.
All right, Remy Wyrick turning 6 years old this year. What a cutie there in Seneca, with birthday love wishes coming from Mom, Dad, Papa, and Nana.
Speaking of birthday wishes, this one comes with love from the whole family for a new teenager. It is Grace Collins. And Grace, a very happy 13th birthday to you. She is celebrating in Nevada.
All right, and we got Mashia Schultz, turning 39 years old this year. Mashia is our neighbor in Crestline.
Let's run out to Mustang Country because in Iola is where Stephanie Loving is celebrating her 51st birthday. Miss Loving, a very happy birthday to you.
All right, our birthday list goes on. Tina Carter turning 2 years old this year in Iola. Gunnar Mingarelli celebrating birthday number 11 in Pittsburgh. And in Columbus, Colt Ungeheyer celebrating birthday number 17.
A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this January 11th. This is where you can submit them to. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com, or you can also go to our website, which is KOAMNewsNow.com. Speaking of that vaunted website, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.